Hello everyone, it's Rose from Korean class. Today we are gonna learning very short Korean words. Just 4 words. First one, this is boots. That is when we wearing cold or rainy or something like that. So, boots is in Korean is just 부츠, 부츠. 비읍 is B and 우 is 우 and 치읓 is CH and 으 is EU. 부츠, 부츠 is boots in Korean. It's not that different, right? And next one, also we studied before. This is 기억 and E is 기, 치읓, CH, 아 is 차, 기차. 기차 was train. 기차. Train in Korean is 기차. 기차. And I also told you guys cats. Cat is 고양이. In Korean, cat. And the dog in Korean is 강아지 or 개. The cat is 고양이 and the dog is 강아지 or 개. So next one, this is 이응. 이응 is no sound and you, just you, and 미음 is M, O is O, and 치읓 CH, and 아 is A. So this is 유모차. 유모차. 유모차 is a baby carriage. 유모차. Baby carriage. 유모차. And last one, also this is we studied before. 기억 and 오, 고, and 치읓 and 우 is 추. 고추. 고추 was pepper in Korean. 고추. 고추. And 고추 is spicy, right? Pepper is spicy. So 고추 then spicy in Korean is 맵다. 고추는 맵다. That means pepper is spicy. So spicy means 맵다. Spicy in Korean is 맵다. Okay. So 부츠 is boot in Korean. 기차 is train in Korean. 유모차 is baby carriage in Korean. And 고추 is pepper. And pepper is spicy in Korean. 고추는 맵다. So, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys.